morning, everyone. I just wanted to, if you haven't seen it, there is a docuseries that's free initially, and then you can buy the pack. It's not mine. It's Ty and Charlene Bollinger. I've been getting their newsletter for a few years and watch bits and pieces and read a lot of their newsletters. And they have a 9-part episode docuseries at the moment, and I've been through the first 2 hours of the first episode this morning, and it's about the history of big pharma, big tech, big agra, and how it links in with cancer. And it's worth getting on the mailing list if you're interested, if this is something going on in your world. It's called the Truth About Cancer. Their names are Ty and Charlene Bollinger. They've got some amazing researchers, scientists, people who have worked with governments, people who have worked with cancer for decades and decades, and have just seen the challenges coming through for people who go through the normal medical model and don't get the success. And they talk about the statistics, they talk about, there's a lot of stuff. So if this is something that interests you, I highly recommend you find it. Just go find it. And actually, I'll try to add a link in with this, and so that you can go check it out. But the first one disappears so shortly. The way these things work is they sort of have 24, 48 hours to watch an episode, and then it disappears, and then you pay for the pack. So I've paid for the pack because there's so much cancer in my family. So, and once again, it's a lot of the stuff that I've been reading over the past year anyway, with Dr. Judy's books, Plague and Plague of Corruption, as well as having been listening. Well, I've been in the industry for 25 years, so I often listen to scientists who are talking about the connection long term, with the genetic stuff, So these days, about 97% of our risk factor for cancer is our lifestyle. But then there's the stuff that we have no control over. There's the things in our air supply that big agra are putting in there. It's the stuff in our medications that big pharma are doing. It's the stuff in our, it's all the radiation, the electromagnetics and everything from big tech that's everywhere. So, all of these things play a part in our genetic ability to protect us from cancer or allow us to develop cancer inside our bodies. So it's just, I'll put an attachment. Okay, have a great day.